Hi. So, when I think of standards and the influence that they have on math in the elementary school at the national level, the state level, and the local levels of education, I think that the biggest influence probably comes from the state, especially here in Texas, because in Texas we have the STAR test, which we all know students start taking this test when they are in third grade. And even though students aren't taking the test necessarily in first or second grade, they are still getting ready to take this test once they are in third grade. And this standardized test, it influences everyone because these students, they have to do well on this test, because if they fail, they don't pass, they may not be promoted to the next grade. Teachers are influenced by the test because if their students fail, if everyone in their whole class fails, they may lose their job. And the school districts, they are influenced by the standardized test because their money from the state is determined sometimes by how well their school district does. And the national, they influence school districts because they send the schools money too. And what's a school if it doesn't have money? It's a public school. It's not like they're getting money from any other place. The local levels, I think that the way they influence how math is taught is the benchmarks. I remember when I was in school, benchmarks were every 6 weeks, and they were practice tests for the tax test, because the tax test is what we took when I was in school. And every 6 weeks we had these old tax tests that we took a test on, so our teachers could see what we knew and what we didn't know, so when we took the test in the spring, they knew what they needed to go over before we took that test. So math, it's influenced by everyone, and not just the subject of math,